Oh, okay.
Mommy wants, Daddy wants my color one. Oh, I have Miss Mara one.
There's 4 for a happy family.
How many?
Okay.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
You
7,
used
8.
up 4 on that one.
What's the other one?
What goes there?
I'm not all done this one.
This one's for Sharon.
4 more.
Oh, you used them all. Okay.
Color one, Daddy one, Brother one, Daddy one. And that, somebody's one.
Okay, we have to do a special one for Sharon.
Also, this one. This one.
No, this one. See? What's the very best thing about a teacher or caregiver like you?
This one.
It says, gee, I can't pick one. There are 102 Dalmatians.
What's this say?
Sharon, I love you.
Kim.
Raven
Jim.
and
Raven.
Sheldon.
Where's Jim? Where's Jim?
Sharon and Jim. Good point.
This point. Where's Jim?
Where's Jim?
Yeah.
He's on there. Sharon and Jim. Okay, now you draw. Draw a picture over here.
That was a big picture.
Big heart. Oh, very good. A happy face. This other color if you want.
No. She. Pumpkin. Made in a pumpkin. Love. I made a pumpkin.
That's great. How about a picture of Daddy? And Mummy?
A mushroom plantain. We have big arms.
Big arms.
A big neck.
And Raven? See your pigtails?
There's a rabbit over there.
Yeah, and baby Sheldon. Oh, arms for Raven. And baby Sheldon. Little arms and little legs. He's still little. Do you want to draw with this one?
Sure. Little please.
But they don't, this is for Sharon and Jim, and Sharon and Jim they don't know Marshall and Clay. They only know Raven and Sheldon. Do you want to draw Marshall and Clay?
I'm going to do the other little pumpkin.
Oh, a little pumpkin.
Okay. There was a little pumpkin. I made it.
Do you want to write your name?
No, I can't. Do you mind me?
I did it over here, Raven.
Do Jim.
Up here, Jim.
Look down here.
Down here? R A V E Raven. R-A-V-E-N. Raven.
Jim.
J-I-M. Look, raven, 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 raven. See, they all say raven. R-A-V-E-N.
What's this say?
Raven,
What's this say?
raven,
What's this
raven.
say?
Pickles.
Raven. Raven.
You're right.
Not pickles.
Pickle pie?
No.
Is my pickle pie?
Not you did that one yet. Okay.
You want to do it? You can draw on them.
What's that? What's that?
Tic-tac-toe.
What's this?
This doesn't say anything. It's just the tic-tac-toe sign. Do you want to put more stickers on them?
Can you put it on here?
Oh, we need stickers on Sharon's.
Share here.
Yeah, put some stickers on it.
Okay, one here.
Yep.
Oh, one more here. Oh, one more here too. One more here. One more here. One more here. One more.
Oh, somebody's awake.
Is he right?
Who's gonna be hungry?
Okay.
No, no, my nose.
Okay, I won't do it again. There.
Put on one on my shirt.
Okay. Just one though. Put them here, sweetie. Put one on the puppy's bum.
What?
Yeah, right on the bum. Yeah.
There's one on my shirt too.
Okay. How about in here? Put one there. Oh, on your nose.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Okay.
Bye-bye.
One here. You crying?
Oh, yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Okay, do you want to write Sharon's name on that?
I can't do it.
Can't do it.
Look at Daddy.
Wow, that's very cute. You've got
One
a
on your work.
flower on your nose. On my nose, too? Oh, wow.
One on yours, Mommy.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh. Why, thank you.
Everybody happy floating.
Say Happy Valentine's Day. Can you say it? Raven,
Wait,
say Happy Valentine's Day.
wait, hey.
Okay.
Let's do it.
He hears me laugh. He's like, "What's that sound?" he can hear my voice, eh?
Sheldon. Sheldon, hi.
Oh. Does he
Hi.
know his name?
Sheldon. 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 Sheldon.
Oh. Like Sheldon? Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, make him throw up on you again, Heather.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get right on that one.
Kodak moment. Oh.
Do, 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 do. We were doing that earlier.
Look at those cheeks. Oh, what a sweetie.
Hi, Sheldon. Look at the eyebrows. Take that.
Please.
Can we pull that? Here, Heather, get right on that, will you?
What?
Just gonna pull that blind down so I can.
Samantha, I thought you were serious. We need to say
Sadly, I was.
I know. If I had the energy, I'd go do that.
Oh, there goes someone.
Heaven forbid I should,
Miles over here.
yeah, uh-huh. I should lay down for 5 minutes.
It was 5 minutes, honey.
Yeah, that was it. I had about 5 minutes.
Oh, that's awesome. Perfect.
Look at the face.
Look at the juice.
Look at all that spit ups.
Look at the
How do
What's the
we
big
take?
juice?
Do you see all this stuff on the TV, like all the time and the date?
No.
Okay.
I think you see the time and date and that's it.
You don't see all the zoom. And...
No. Or the
Oh,
the
no.
battery and
There's Heather making funny baby
she got
noises.
bubbles in there.
Oh, let's see that tongue again. That's quite the side shot. Where's the zoom on this thing?
Right on top. It's
Oh, I see.
this way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how am I supposed to do that?
Boo 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 boo.
Okay, do it again.
Okay, that's what I want on my camera. Too much information.
Oh, he's blowing bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay, ready, Sheldon? You patty cake, baker's man. Bake me cake as fast you can. Roll it. Roll it.
I know. And show up all over you.
Right under her face.
Put it in the oven.
Oh, baby in me.
Sheldon and me. Yeah. Boo. Boo boo. Heather? Oh, that's nice. Anyway, once you get the shirt once, it doesn't matter about the second time.
Hey, whiplash.
He okay. He's strong boy. He's strong boy. Yeah, Mama fed you well. My dad? Sit up. Sit up.
Look at that face.
Yeah, that's Paul.
Yeah.
Are his baby pictures?
You better stop slipping in the alcohol on and the breast milk.
Yeah.
Are you still nursing him?
No.
No?
No, not at all. No, he likes the bottle.
Wow, that's unusual. Little boys. Jake Luke is so infatuated with my boobs.
Oh, not him. He'd be like, okay, like after 5 minutes he'd pull off. And he'd go, okay, where's the real stuff now?
Wow, really?
Cry and cry. And then he'd give him the bottle and his eyes would roll back. And he'd be like in heaven. So he made it very clear that's what
Yeah,
he wanted.
yeah.
I was just like appetizer.
You were the escargot before
Yeah,
the
it's
filet mignon.
Yeah, yeah. There, look at the faces.
You're on candid camera.
You'll see this when you're 40. Yay.
We'll show that your wedding, Sheldon. You'll be like,
DVD.
"Oh."
Yeah, he'll be married before me.
I Okay, that's on tape.
I used to say that about Raven.
What does Paul say about that?
About what?
The whole marriage thing.
Not much since we never talk about it.
Is it gonna happen?
Probably not.
We've gotta go away to like Hawaii or something.
That'd be nice.
We'll have a double
Actually,
marriage.
I don't even care anymore.
Because it's not about that. You guys are together.
Yeah.
You have your what you need.
And I've heard too many stories about, and I know this is not a way to think, but
As soon as they get married.
people change, and I'm thinking, that's all I need. Like, Jekyll and Hyde.
You put the bib on me? Yeah.
I'll go and grab water.
Alright. Blah, 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 blah. Here.
Ah, shit.
It's on.
You can rewind this part and take it.
Beautiful. No one can be careless.
Sing. No, you're not.
You okay with it? No.
Turn it on.
No.
Aww.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to rewind like 2 minutes of this.
Look,
Wow.
you know who that is?
Yeah.
Raven.
Who's that? What?
That's Raven.
Who's in the background?
Carrie, my sister's friend.
Mm.
Oh my goodness, she must have been, I think she was Sheldon's age. I think she was 3 months old. You have to hold him up to the TV so you can see what he looks like. Tape him and Raven.
Together. How old was she there?
I think about 3 months.
We'll have to Heather get the.
Oh, hang on.
That was a better shot.
There.
Look.
Oh,
We'll be right back.
Are you new?
What are you new?
What are you new? Raven and Sheldon.
Look at that. They look alike.
Yeah, they do. Rest your head. Rest your head.
He likes the light, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Warm. Like on the eyes.
Just like Reese's spot.
He's probably going, yeah, man, wicked. Never seen a light show like this since I was, inside.
Yeah, right. Before I was born on the other side.
Okay.
Oh, wants to sit up.
Was he dirty?
Oh yeah. Little, not a lot, but a lot of peas. Oh, oh.
Hey, Tico. Hey. Hey. Seven.
Okay.
Oh. Hello.
No, she can't be 3 months, but
Hello.
practically standing up.
Sheldon. Sheldon.
Sheldon, look. Over here.
So we got it.
That's my boy. Hi. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that. See? Oh. You've got the biggest cheeks. Huge cheeks. You have got big cheeks. Yes, you do. You just laugh. Big cheeks. Oh. He goes, oh yeah, look. Big, 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 big.
Pinch him. Oh, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Lots of bubbles.
Yeah? Yeah? You think so? Uh-oh.
Yay.
Drooling on me.
Got that. Up close.
Drooling on me.
Here.
They don't look anything alike.
Got a whole symphony over here. Yeah.
I got that one. Aww.
Yeah. From Simone.
We'll be back with you in a moment. You're back.
That's your sister on TV.
You want me to do your hair or should I do it soon? Is your scalp okay?
Staring at TV. That's nice.
Look at those ears. Beautiful. Little point. one. Elfish.
Like what? I'm sorry, what you said?
Elfish. That's the big soup ones. They're elfish.
I said the fish.
How's your mom liking teaching, do you know?
Yeah, she likes teaching.
It looks much better in person than on the screen.
I'm watching this tape of Raven and it's really dark. I can't barely even see it. Yeah, I would have to sit up. Yeah. Yay! Yay! No? 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones in one, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with it.
It was more of a quacking sound, but that was pretty close.
That'll do.
That'll
We'll take anything.
I got that one.
He's gonna say mama before dada.
Mm-hmm.
Say mama, mama, mama,
I think my first words were dada.
mama, mama, mama. Every baby says dada first.
Yeah.
It's easier to say.
Keep enjoying it, darling.
So does Raven.
Now that's interesting. You don't have a family where there's a dad. They just don't say anything until they say mama. It was the whole
They don't
knee
say
experience.
dada like they don't mean daddy though. They don't say it and mean daddy. They say it because it's
The word we're
they're
telling.
saying dada. They say it long before they know what it means, I think. You got big stories today? You got big stories today? Alrighty then.
Yeah.
Oh,
He keeps banging his head against the side of the chair.
Usually does that. I think he wants to soften or he wants to feel it. Or when he's tired or I don't know when.
He just winds up from one side to the other.
When he's tired I notice he does that.
You ready?